Have you ever wondered what a battlefield of the future looks like? No, I'm not talking about some sci-fi movie where robots shoot lasers while dodging explosions in slow motion. I'm talking about real-world technology right now, today. And guess what? China just rolled out something that could change warfare forever. China has developed the world's first military-grade 5G mobile communication system, capable of connecting up to 10,000 army robots within a 3-kilometer radius. Yes, you heard that right, 10,000 machines. That's not just some minor upgrade to battlefield tech. That's an entire digital army waiting to be unleashed. But before you start picturing an army of Terminators marching across the world, let's break this down. What makes China's military 5G special? Most of us use 5G for streaming TikToks, playing games, or maybe pretending to work while scrolling through Instagram. But military 5G? That's a whole different beast. Unlike regular 5G, which struggles in challenging environments, China's military 5G is built to function under extreme conditions. Think mountains, dense urban areas, and even electromagnetic warfare. This isn't just about getting better Wi-Fi in a coffee shop, it's about ensuring an entire army stays connected, no matter what. The numbers behind this are staggering. This system can support 10,000 users, or robots, within a 3-km radius while maintaining a blazing fast 10 gigabit per second speed. And here's the kicker, it can do all of this with a latency of under 15 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. Imagine drones, autonomous combat vehicles, and AI-driven battlefield analysis all functioning in real time. If you think buffering is annoying, imagine losing connection while commanding a robot army. Not happening with this system. Who's behind this tech? China Mobile Communications Group and the People's Liberation Army, PLA, worked together to develop this groundbreaking technology. And they weren't messing around. The PLA needed something that could function without ground-based stations or even satellite signals, meaning traditional communication failures wouldn't be an issue. You know how sometimes your GPS stops working in a tunnel? Now imagine that, but in a war zone. China's solution? A network so resilient it can withstand electromagnetic interference while remaining mobile and secure. How will it be used? Now, let's talk about the big question. What's China planning to do with this? Networking battlefield assets. Imagine an entire battlefield where every drone, ground vehicle, and soldier is interconnected, all sharing real-time data. That means no blind spots, no delays, and no miscommunications. Every soldier becomes a node in a giant, intelligent web of war machines. Artificial intelligence and warfare AI thrives on data, and this 5G system can provide a flood of it. Military leaders can analyze massive amounts of information instantly, turning battlefield chaos into a carefully calculated strategy. Autonomous combat systems, from robot dogs to fully autonomous drones, this system will allow unmanned war machines to function like a well-oiled digital army. If you thought drone warfare was advanced before, this is a whole new level. We're talking about AI-driven combat decisions made faster than a human could even react. The future of war, a digital battlefield. This isn't just about making military communication more reliable. This is about transforming how wars are fought. Think about it, traditional armies rely on humans. And humans? Well, we get tired, we make mistakes, and sometimes we need bathroom breaks. But a digital army? It never sleeps, never hesitates, and never forgets a command. Now, some might say, hey, doesn't this make war even scarier? And yeah, it kinda does. With AI-assisted strategy, thousands of autonomous units, and real-time intelligence gathering, this could redefine the very nature of global military power. But is this actually a good thing? Let's be real. This technology is impressive, but it also raises some serious ethical questions. If future wars are fought by AI-driven machines communicating over military 5G, where does that leave human decision-making? Are we heading toward a future where robots make life or death decisions without human intervention? Some experts worry that this could lead to an arms race in AI-driven warfare. The US, Russia, and other global powers are undoubtedly watching this closely, and you can bet they're not going to sit around and do nothing. The last time a technological leap like this happened, we got the nuclear arms race. Are we on the brink of a digital arms race? What this means for the world. China isn't just building a better communication system, they're laying the groundwork for the next evolution of warfare. If they're able to perfect this military 5G network, it could give them a massive strategic advantage on the battlefield. In the past, wars were won by those with the biggest guns and strongest armies. But in the future, it might just come down to who has the fastest, most reliable network. And here's where it gets even crazier. If China's military 5G is this advanced now, what's next? Are we looking at fully automated battlefields where humans aren't even needed? Will AI start making tactical decisions faster than generals? And, most importantly, how do other countries respond to this new reality? So, what do you think? Are we heading into an era of warfare where digital armies rule the battlefield? Is China's military 5G a technological breakthrough or a terrifying glimpse into the future? One thing's for sure, this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. And while we might not see an army of robots marching down the streets just yet, the foundation has been laid. The question isn't if this technology will change warfare, it's how soon. Let me know in the comments what you think about this insane development. Is this the future of war, or is it a disaster waiting to happen? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the wildest tech shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.